quick review on the Chiappa Rhino 120DS long barreled revolver, UK specifications. We have the nickel in 38 357 Magnum, 12-inch barrel, front and rear high-vis sights, and walnut pistol grip, and the brace as well. Come with an ABS case, cleaning rod, and aluminium shroud, and we also have the 9mm version. They both hold 6 rounds. Again, high vis on the front and rear high vis adjustable. Have a lovely little cocking feature where you cock the weapon and this tiny little red pin pops up and tell you it's cocked, locked, and ready to be fired. Lovely little thing, like it. These are really lightweight, so I think they've got a bit of mileage with these, to be honest. Very lightweight. The short barrel version has got pretty good reviews. This is the long barrel version, which is 12-inch barrel for the UK market, and obviously with a brace on there, 60 centimeters, making it Section 1 compliant firearms license specification for the UK. Made by Chiappa, and should be able to get them from most dealers, most registered firearms dealers in the UK, or give us a call at Simply Firearms, see what we can do for you. Thank you. Almost forgot to add, they come with integrated rails on the bottom for your lasers and your lights, and an integrated rail on the top for mounting optics or red dot. I think most boys and girls out there will probably mount a red dot on there, which works really well. These are very light, very light indeed. So I'm going to have to weigh one and put that up, but I think they'll be extremely popular. Both in 9mm, which is cheap, and the 357 Magnum, and the 44 Magnum will be out later next year.